Hello everybody, I'm working on a Stihl, which is SH80, this one here. Back to front, this is what I can see. So it's got a leak in the petrol tank, so I will show you how to put one in. So this is the petrol tube here, and you've got the petrol filter. So there we are. So what you do, you've got a lip here, yeah. So what you do is you put it in here, then what you would do, you push it into the groove down in here, then you got that little bit here, it's difficult. So what you do, you use a screwdriver to, sometimes it can be difficult to put in, so you put a screwdriver in here, push it in, and that's it, it's done. That's how you do it. Now you know how to do them. There we are. Thanks for watching. Bye.